How many Ally checking accounts can I open? Hook, have you ever wondered if there's a limit to how many checking accounts you can open? Well, today, we're diving into that very question, and we're using Ally Bank as our case study. So, let's get started. Context. Imagine you're a savvy investor looking to maximize your returns. You've heard about Ally Bank's competitive interest rates and their online-only model, which means no pesky fees. But before you open multiple accounts, it's essential to understand the rules. Main content. Ally Bank's official policy. Let's start by consulting Ally Bank's official policy. They explicitly state that there is no limit to the number of checking accounts you can open. That's great news for those who want to segregate their finances for different purposes. However, there's a caveat. While you can open multiple accounts, you can only have one account per account type per person. So, you can have multiple Ally interest checking accounts, but only one Ally e-checking account. Benefits of multiple checking accounts. Now that we know there's no limit, let's explore the benefits of having multiple Ally checking accounts. Budgeting. One common use case is for budgeting. You can create separate accounts for different categories like groceries, utilities, and entertainment. This can help you track your spending more effectively and avoid overspending. Goal setting. Another benefit is goal setting. You can open a separate account for each specific goal, such as a down payment on a house, a vacation, or a new car. This can make it easier to stay motivated and track your progress. Emergency fund. Having multiple checking accounts can also be helpful for building an emergency fund. You can create a separate account for your emergency fund and ensure that it's easily accessible in case of unexpected expenses. Considerations and best practices. While opening multiple Ally checking accounts can be beneficial, there are a few things to consider. Account management. Managing multiple accounts can be time-consuming. Ensure that you have a system in place to keep track of your login credentials, account balances, and transactions. Minimum balance requirements. Some Ally checking accounts may have minimum balance requirements. Be aware of these requirements and ensure that you can meet them for each account. Overdraft fees. If you overdraw your account, you may be subject to overdraft fees. Exercise caution to avoid overdrafting your accounts. Real-world examples. Let's look at some real-world examples of how people use multiple Ally checking accounts. The family budgeter. A family with 3 kids might have separate checking accounts for household expenses, child allowances, and savings for college. The small business owner. A small business owner might have separate checking accounts for business operations, payroll, and personal expenses. The investor. An investor might have separate checking accounts for different investment strategies, such as dividend stocks, growth stocks, and bonds. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Ally Bank allows you to open as many checking accounts as you need, as long as you adhere to their account type restrictions. Whether you're looking to improve your budgeting, set goals, or build an emergency fund, having multiple Ally checking accounts can be a valuable tool. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about Ally Bank, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time.